Select PAN card and PAN card. After PAN card page selected, page open like this, and these options are provided: knowledge center, apply PAN card, apply change and correction, PAN objection, track PAN, dashboard, physical document and other service. Okay. Apply new PAN card. Select application for new PAN 49A. After selecting PAN card new application, physical application instructions. So please read carefully. Form open 49A. Please observe the physical mode application and status of the applicant and PAN card mode. So both physical PAN card and e-PAN card, e-PAN only, no physical card will be. So I will select both physical card and application status in individual. Okay, submit. Here appear information message, reference number. Please notate that for the future. Here observe personal details, document payment, contact parent and details, address details, other details. First fill the personal details. Okay. Fill the details, complete details, full name, surname, name, and have you been your other name? No, and gender, date. Next, address for the communication, residence state and other state, and Aadhaar number. And enter re-Aadhaar number again. Okay, complete Aadhaar number. Enter here name as per Aadhaar. Okay, as per Aadhaar name. And next step. Here document details, which these documents are submitting the identity proof and submitting the address proof and date of birth. Please select as per supporting document. Okay. As per supporting document, I will select as per identity proof Aadhaar, address proof Aadhaar, and date of birth also Aadhaar, and make payment. Okay. Click the make payment option. After clicking make payment option, information message it will appear. Okay, your Aadhaar authentication done successfully and reference number. Okay. Once you have to check the Aadhaar status. So your Aadhaar status. Okay. Give UID not linked with any PAN. Okay. Here selected telephone ISD code and area STD code. Here selecting telephone ISD code, area STD code, telephone number and email ID. Here mention clearly parent details. So details parent of the applicant only individual. So only as per PAN card father name is required. Yes, no. If father name is not required, mother name is required. Yes. So mother name is required, the term you will press yes. It will only appear on mother name. Okay. Not no. Fill the complete details. After filling details, next step complete address details. So fill the as per Aadhaar address and office address, also residential address and office address. Here fill the complete details. Next, source of income. So please select income from other source as your wish. I will select income from other source and next steps. So please check the AVO code. AVO code details. So AVO code it generate automatically. You are giving the office address. So automatically it generated. Okay. And please check the once AVO code. Then it's okay. And next steps it go to the representative access address. Okay. It will representative access details fill the as per the customer PAN card details and fill the as per details as per representative, and next select do you hereby declare with whether started above through the capacity. So capacity is selected, the selecting option himself or herself. Okay. Next select verification place and verify name also verify name and verification place. So KV Ranga. So I will enter verification place KV Rangareddy, BN Reddy Nagar. Select next step. So here mention document upload. This facility is applicable only when PAN card application process through details, dates and signature, and which these documents are you submitting as an identity proof Aadhaar and address proof Aadhaar, date of birth Aadhaar. Okay. Okay. Next, you will arrange as per address proof. You will scan Aadhaar and application form. Applicant photo signature file. So as per scanning specifications. So photo scanning 300 dp, color 23 into 213 into 213, size less than 30 kb, and signature 600 dp and size less than 60 kb. Okay. Next, submit button. Next you will select submit button. Okay. So process is completed as per